So one of the things that I noticed is that we all gather strength in our own ways. Some of us like to meditate. Some of us enjoy doing prayer. Some of us like to gather our strength out of nature. Some of us gather our strength by being around people that we love, people that support us. And some of us gather our strength by laughter. There are so many different ways that we can tune into a higher frequency and uplift ourselves. And I just wanted to make this video today to encourage you all, and myself included, to zoom in into these things, to zoom in into your gifts, because that's where we gather our strength. You know, it can be easy to be overcome by the things of this world and to become of this world during this time where there's so much going on, you know, and the condition of the world is changing for what appears to be the worst. But however, you know, this is the opportune time for us to zoom into our gifts even more. You know, whether your gift is singing, dancing, writing, drawing, playing the piano and instruments, praying, speaking kind words to somebody, uplifting someone, planting, herbalism. You know, there's so many gifts that we have. Astral traveling, clairvoyance, you know, writing a book. You know, whatever it is that you enjoy doing, this is the best time to zoom in on these gifts and strengthen them even more. Because ultimately, that is what the world wants to stop us from doing. They want to block us from our gifts. They want to stop us from our gifts, but they cannot stop what is already divine, what's already in the divine plan. It's already, you know, taking place, and it's inevitable. So this video is just to say, zoom in on your gifts, because that is where your strength lies. You know, sometimes we can forget these things. Sometimes we can think that we have to feel good. We have to be vibrant. We have to be upbeat to tap into, you know, the gifts that we have within ourselves. But, you know, what's ours can never be taken away from us. And all that we need is already within. So that's pretty much all I wanted to say in this video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're having an amazing day. And I will catch you in the next one.